not a professional unboxer. If you're looking for something that's done for you, this would be a really great option. These two go together, yeah. So this is another, same company that makes the sauna blanket, makes this tent. It's Gabriel's creation, and I already know, I mean, I have something similar to this. It's that cotton heat lamp sauna that's upstairs.
Oh, with like the wood frame?
Yeah, but it's like $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 or something for what it is, which is way, way, way too much money. And so what he's done, I hope, we're gonna find out in a second, is put together higher quality unit for less money. At least that's what my anticipation or expectations are. This should be the heater assembly. So this is the same company, same guy that engineered the sauna blanket that we just did an unboxing for. And you know, obviously I'm not going to vacuum it or clean it right now, but wow.
Really nice.
Heavy duty. Good switches, covered
Really
in
nice.
styrofoam. Sanded. I better read the instructions. We're going to need to drill and unscrew this. Instructions are in there though. How do we get to those? I don't know if this is the right way to do this or not. Makes sense to me. I mean, you got to put the stuff on the front. Sauna Pod. Okay, it's called the Sauna Pod. I wasn't sure exactly what it was called. Oh, they give you covers for the screw holes when you put it on for the final time that matches the wood.
Dang.
It's kind of nice. All right, does it tell you to unscrew the thing? I don't know. Let's put it together. This is what shielded cabling looks like, if you don't know. It's not as pretty, what you usually find. However, it's shielded all the way to the connector, which is cool. Ooh, foil lined wood. Reflective. Boy, I like to see that. That you don't see all the time. I might have to do a little clean job here though, because we got some styrofoam. I don't know if that's because I got aggressive with the packaging or what, but I want to show you this. And looks like you can put screws in the bottom so that it won't come apart.
That's really nice.
And then it has a little adjustment. So if you want it to
Wow, that's really nice.
be higher, you can do that. So let's get the bulbs in it. See what it does. And these are the good bulbs with the red neck. And by that, I'm not talking about me being a redneck growing up on top of a dog box, you know, chasing whatever through the woods because that's what they did. I mean, this kind of redneck, not this one. This
It's the same.
Yeah, it's red all the way to the housing, which means you don't get heat dispersion towards the back. So when we add these bulbs to far infrared wooden saunas, like the big ones, you can use the cheap GE or Philips heat lamp bulbs. They're about 10 bucks from Home Depot. But it is worthwhile to use a $25 bulb from Therabulb, Rubylux, or wherever when you have heat contact on the back portion of the neck. And by the neck, I mean the actual neck of the bulb housing, this piece here. So when this is not red through and through, it leaks heat out the back, which is wasting it, and it also heats up whatever baffle is behind it. So I like that Gabriel chose these higher end bulbs. They're a little bit more expensive. They also have a slightly different, you know, output curve on a spectrometer, which is cool. You get majority of the benefits from the cheaper ones, but you get a little bit of a bump from the more expensive ones. So we'll have to do a formal setup video. This is basically just an unboxing. We don't have a ton of time today, but there's probably a better way to do this assembly. You know, there's probably like a right and a wrong way. I don't know if we're doing it.
We'll choose the wrong way.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. Unlike, you know, my DIY sauna guide, we don't, we try to keep it super cheap for people. This is going to be something that is a little higher end. It's a done for you kit. You know, if you buy the DIY sauna guide, or if you try to do your own DIY heat lamp sauna and it's not for you, this would be a good middle of the road option that's pre-done for somebody. You don't, You don't have to have a drill either. You could just use a screwdriver for this. I'm only using a drill because we have 20 minutes before our next appointment, and we're trying to get this set up so you can see it today. I don't know what's in here.
Tent stakes.
Kind of. It might be.
Really?
Sure feels like it. What the heck? I should really watch the instructions. I mean, I really should. I don't know what is happening here.
Oh, dang, that's nice.
What's up now?
That's really nice.
I'm not a professional unboxer. Important safety instructions. Read before.
That's one. There's two, and then the last one's near you. You're gonna have to pull that.
Oh, and then this goes up.
Yep. Boom, dude.
Why didn't I just tell you that?
This
That's
is
easy.
nice.
That's easy.
That's crazy. It folded up so small.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So the other pieces were the floor. So it's like a little foil lined tent. Oh,
I like that it kind of bows out and everything. This is nice.
dude, this is way more advanced than the DIY. Wow. Gabriel's stepping it up. Oh, I see. They attach on the outside. And then you put the cord through this. We got the cord. Plug that in.
So it's literally just one cord.
Yep.
This is nice.
Plug it into the wall, and voila. We has heater. Oh. Okay. So, first impression is spacious.
Very big.
You know, I'm not a huge fan of these sauna pods. The other two upstairs are also sauna pods like this. I would prefer to be on a stool rather than sit on the ground. Now I see why that's adjustable, because you can raise it up to stool height. This is just like the DIY sauna in the course that we sell if you want to build your own for a couple $100. This is instant heat. I will immediately start sweating. What I'd like to do a longer test of another day is, do we have heat reflection from this foil lined tent? And so we'll zip it up. I don't notice too much off-gassing.
I don't smell anything.
Pretty solid.
Like I haven't smelled one thing.
VOC is pretty solid. So what I like about this is if I knew how to open the tent correctly, this is probably a really easy pop and play.
Heck
You
yeah.
could break this down, put it away, and then set it up if you wanted to. You'd still have to put towels on the bottom. I wouldn't trust, this to maintain all the sweat. I'm not saying that's a good or bad thing from the company itself. I think this is really good quality. And also, these are metal.
Dang, that's nice.
I like, I think, are they metal or is it a poly? Might be a poly with metal inside.
No, they're metal.
Springy.
It's nice.
But there's no sense of it's going to collapse on me. There's plenty of space. You could put a regular chair in here. You could put a swivel chair, a stool, a transfer bench, anything that you wanted. Notoriously, I haven't liked saunas like this. There's a bunch of them on the market. Some of them are $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, which I think is nuts. You could get a sauna with a, wooden door. I'll have to contact Gabriel, see if there's a group buy for our subscribers or our Facebook members. But even if not, the retail price of this I think is under $2,000. So if you're between a $5,000 or $1,000 portable sauna and like a $5,000 wooden sauna, this might be a good fit for you. I know there's not going to be any EMF in here. He's got shielded cabling. We can go right up to the heaters, and we have pretty much zero. There's 0.5 of background in here, so you might have a little bit of emissions around the cable. But as soon as you come, out 4 or 5 inches, it falls off into background.
And you're all the way over here, so that's great.
Yeah, let's also check electric. Electric is hardly anything. You come out a couple of inches. And you'll never be closer than this to these because the surface temperature is too hot.
It's freaking hot.
Yeah. So this is pretty much zero, which is what I like to see. A little better than my DIY sauna. The DIY sauna, we're not using shielded grounded components. We're not using, not that it's bad, but I mean, it's not zero. But it's also not $2,000 or $5,000 or, $7 or whatever. But there's levels. And if you're looking for something that's done for you, this would be a really great option.
So if there's something that you like from today's video or you're looking for more resources, at CertifiedSaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources if you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together. We have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to CertifiedSaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna Community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.